Hello everybody, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten and I am back with another video. As you guys can read by the title, today we are doing a DIY video. I haven't done a DIY video in a couple months. The last one I did, I cropped a sweater dress into a crop sweater. I will link it up here in the cards. Definitely check it out. I showed you guys how I cut the sweater and then I did like a little outfit with it. So we're back with another one. With this one, we are duping a Maison Margiela jean. Is the Maison Margiela slit jean. I'm going to make my own dupes of them. The original price of these jeans are $695. They're super cool. I just couldn't pay the price point of $695. Of course, with tax, it's gonna be like $7 something just for some denim jeans. So I had the idea to do my own and DIY my own. So I'm gonna take these Nastygal jeans right over here and I'm going to DIY these and put the slits in them. And of course, I'm gonna show you guys how I do them. And of course, I'm going to put an outfit together and style an outfit with it. So I'm excited to do this. I've been wanting to do it for a couple months and yo, we are here. Alright, so I have my reference photo pulled up. Of course, before I get started, I put the jeans on and then we're gonna mark where we're gonna slit the jeans. So I have the jeans on. Like I said, these jeans are from Nastygal and I wanted to find a pair of jeans, of course, that look similar to what the Margiela jeans are. The Margiela jeans, they're plain denim, they're wide leg, and they have no distressing. So I wanted to find some jeans that had no distressing, plain denim, wide leg, and of course a little bit baggy. It can be closed because you have the slits and it still has this baggy look. So my closest denim were these from Nastygal, and if I could find these jeans, because I bought these 2 years ago, so if I could find them, if they're still available, I will link them down below. And of course, I will link the Margiela jeans as well down below. If you guys want to spend the $695 price point, I will link that down below. But of course, this video is here to help if you want to DIY it, if you like the jeans and you want to create your own. So first things first, I'm going to get my pen, which I have right here, and I'm going to mark where I want to slit the denim. So it's looking at my reference photo where the slit is. It's of course like right under the vagina but right above the knee. So it's literally the halfway point of the jeans. So I was thinking like right here. Is a good mark. And of course, this is a dupe, so it's not meant to be perfect, but of course I want it to be as close as possible. So this is what we're gonna do. Then I'm gonna take the jeans off and then I'm gonna match it up to each other so then we can start cutting and both sides can be even. To make it easier, I hung it on my backdrop so then I can cut it, and of course the camera will be able to see what I'm doing and the angle. So we got the jeans. Like I said, you guys saw I did my mark right over here. And yeah, now we're going to cut. Could have been definitely straighter. Hold on. Now that I have it up here. I'm seeing that it's not as straight, of course. Yeah, that's way more straight. But that is what laundry is for. We're going to wash it and then that pen mark is going to be gone. Yeah, that mark was way off. Y'all see that? That mark was so off. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Boom. Alright, so now I folded the denim and we're gonna match it up to the other side so then I can cut the other side and it could be even. So first I'm gonna use the pen to write where the other side slits. So boom, right there. So we can line it up and match it up almost perfect. Boom. All right. time to cut. Yeah, I'm excited because I saw these jeans and I was like, oh, these are cool. I love different shit. So when I saw them, I was like, oh, these are fire. Saw the price and I was like, I don't want to spend $6.95 on jeans. Like, I can't do it. So, you know, my idea was, let's do a dupe. Let's DIY it. Why not? Here we go. There we go, honey. Yes. Okay, it's giving. Ah! Come on, Margiela. All right, now I'm gonna try it on to see where it is. And then we're gonna see if I need to cut it a little bit more or if it matches. But it looks pretty good. So let's try it on again and see where we're at. All right, y'all, so we are good. I touched it up a little bit so you guys can see the finished product, which I'm so excited about. It is so cute. And I didn't have to spend $6.95, $750, whatever the tax is. I'm gonna put together a little OOTD, a little outfit, and show you guys how I would style this. So yeah, let's get into the OOTD. All right, y'all, so we have the final OOTD. This is what we got going on. So of course we got the Margiela slit jean dupe. I'm super happy with how they came out. I was looking at the outfit in the mirror, you know I'm fly, super cute. I love my outfits always. But we got the dupe Margiela jeans, of course. And because we're doing a dupe Margiela jean, I was like, why not pull out my tabby boots, my Maison Margiela tabby boots. Got the white tabby boots right here, you know. Why not? We doing Margiela, so why not pull out the Margiela boot? So got my girl Tabitha on the feet. And we got the jeans. I got this t-shirt, just a plain white t-shirt from Hanes. Of course, we have the white boot, got the white tee, and then I layered over this Ralph Lauren varsity jacket. As you guys can see right here, it has the little white detail in it, so we're combining the whites, and of course we have like a blue denim, but it has a little bit of a acid wash to it. And then I layered on the pearl necklaces because I love a pearl necklace. These are 2 pearl necklaces that I just doubled together. I just love the contrast and how it looks. And of course we got the little eyewear. You guys know I love eyewear. If you don't, now you know. And of course we got the little headscarf moment. I added on the headscarf just to add a little pop of detailing. We have the satin jacket, put on the satin headscarf, and then of course we have the navy blue, so you have the contrast of the blue and a little purple with a little bit of orange. You know, pull your color wheel, y'all. Pull your color wheel. But this is the look. It's giving chic streetwear. That's the vibe that I'm giving right now. But yeah, this is the look. Super cute. Love how the jeans came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think of the video. Do you have these jeans? Did you DIY it yourself? Let me know. And of course, follow me on my social medias at Bria Van Kooten, my Instagram, my Twitter, and my TikTok. And check out my blog, www.briavankooten.com. Of course, subscribe to the channel. Go check out my previous videos. I posted a really cool video last week. It is the Janet Jackson Style Evolution Part 1. I'm basically starting a new segment here on the channel, which I'm going to pick someone famous and go through their style evolution from when they first came on the scene to present day and just go through their style. That was Janet Jackson's Part 1. I'm gonna link it up here in the cards like I said, and Part 2 will be coming soon, so definitely check it out. I love that video, and it was cool like going through her different style evolutions and talking about each look, so definitely check that one out. But y'all, I will see you guys in the next video. Have an amazing weekend. Peace, love, deuces.